equation given here, we are having let y of x be the solution of some differential equation such that the differential equation is given where your x is greater than or equals to 1. They're asking you try to find the value of y of v, right? First of all, let us solve this differential equation. I can clearly see this is in the which form. I was having only dy by dx and y term, so which I will call it as a linear in y. What is linear in y? First, suppose if I have any equation of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y must be equals to q of x, where your p and q are functions of x alone. This kind of equations we will call it as a linear in y. The same thing, it is visible here, so I'll be try to modify this. I can write it as a dy by dx plus try to send this to the other side, which is y by x times log x must be equals to 2x log x divided by x times log x. I think you don't have any doubt up to here, right? So from this, what I can say, I can simply cancel 2 log x, like 2 will be there, x log x will be removed, right? So what I will be having here, so if I do this, this is dy by dx plus y by, I'll be getting x times log x must be equals to 2 alone. Is it clear? So now I can easily compare this with this. Therefore, I will be getting my p of x is nothing but 1 by x times log x and my q of x, which is nothing but 2. Is it okay? Yes, we can say this is linear in y. If it is linear in y, what we have to do? We have to find the integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? Let me do, which is nothing but integration of just a second, e power integration of p dx. This is a formula, right? So this is e power integration of what is our p, which is 1 by x log x into dx. So which is, from here what I can say, I need to solve this integration. I can easily see this is what my log x is. Simply I'll be taking my log x as what? T. What is log x derivative? 1 by x. I can say 1 by x dx is equals to dt. Is it clear? So what we can do here, we need to solve this. I'll be getting 1 by x derivative. So this is what I did. So simply what I can do, this 1 by x, I can simply make it as a what? This is e power integration of 1 by log x. I'll make it as a t. 1 by x dx together is dt. So this is e power, what is 1 by t integration? Which is log t alone. E power, we have a formula. Let me write the formulas here. E power log a to the base e will be always a. So what is the answer here? I'll be getting t alone. What is our t originally? Which is nothing but log x. Is it clear? So this is what our integrating factor. If this is our integrating factor, then what happened to the general solution? Therefore, I'll be getting the general solution, which is nothing but y into integrating factor is equals to integration of q into integrating factor plus c. This is an into, not an of, okay? Y into what is our integrating factor here? Simply log x. I'll be getting log x must be equals to integration of, what was our q? Let me zoom out. I think you can see I have written here the q separately, which is nothing but 2. So let me continue with that only, which is 2 into, this will be simply log x plus c. Is it clear? So we already do have the integration of a log x here. We already know that integration of a log x is x log x minus x log x minus x. For the people who don't know, let me help you how to do. So this is x log x. We are not able to do the integration directly. So what I'll be doing, I'll try to write it as a 1 into something. We can say 1 into something is nothing but itself alone, right? Then I'll use the I late. Which, what is this I late? This is an inverse trigonometry algebraic inverse logarithmic algebraic trigonometric and the exponential. Which one comes first? Logarithmic. I'll take my this function as a f, this function as a g. So what is the integration of f into g formula? This will call it as the integration by parts, which is nothing but f into integration of a g minus integration of f dash, that means derivative of f, into integration of a g into dx. Agree? I'll be applying the same formula here. This is nothing but finally f is nothing but my log x into integration of a 1 dx minus integration of, dash means derivative, log x derivative into integration of a 1 into dx. Is it clear? So now let us continue, which is x derivative, 1 derivative is x. I'll be making it as x into log x minus integration of, what is log x derivative? Sorry, I'm so sorry for this. 1 integration is an x. That is what I have written here. Now I need to apply for the derivative. Okay, what is the derivative of log x? Which is 1 by x. And integration of 1 is nothing but x alone. This is into dx. So in which I can cancel this too. So finally I'll be getting x log x. I'll be left with 1. We know that one integration is x. So that is how I'll be doing log x. Integration is x log x minus x. You can take this as a granted, as a formula from now onwards. Okay, let us continue. If you want, let me zoom out. Which is nothing but y log x is equals to 2. I'll be taking it out, which is nothing but x log x minus 1 minus x plus c. Is it okay? Any doubts? Yeah, this is what we are getting. This is plus c here. Is it clear? Fine. So now what is our final solution? I can make it as, okay, fine, this is our final solution. But if you look into the question, what they are asking, they are asking you what is the value of y of e here. Is it clear? So first, suppose, what is the meaning of y of e? It says that you need to replace your x as e. What happened to the y value, right? But if you keep your x value, there is an extra term which is c. But if you come to the options, there is no c here. So we need to solve this further. As you can see, x, they have clearly mentioned x is greater than or equals to 1. Is it clear? Let me try to do. First, suppose if my x is 1, then what happened to this? Y into log 1 must be equals to 2 times. This is 1 into log 1 minus 1 plus c. What is log 1? You already know it's a 0, which is 2 times. Log 1 is again 0 minus 1 plus c. So from here I'll be getting c is what? 2 alone. Is it clear? So therefore, what happened to our final equation? Let us assume make it as a star. Y times log x must be equals to 2 times. This is x log x minus x plus 2. Is it clear? This is our final solution. Now we need to figure it out what is our y of e. So what happened to y of e? Y into, let us make it as a log e. Replace your x with e, which is nothing but 2 times e into log e minus e plus 2. Is it clear? What is log e? Log e with a no base means I'll be taking it as a base e. So log e to the base e is always 1. I'll be making it as a 1. So what I'll be getting here? This is y is equals 2 into e into log e to the base e is 1 minus 2 e plus 2. Is it clear? So we'll be getting y is equals to this 2 will be removed. I'll be getting 2. So what is y of e I'll be getting? Finally, which is nothing but 2 here. Where is the options? In this I can make this is the answer. Is it clear? Any doubts in this? Just let me know if you have any doubts. Thank you.